Welcome to day one of the January Pantry Challenge. So I didn't eat breakfast. My husband was at work on Sunday. It is now actually Monday, but I'm finally being able to record something. I put together everything that we ate on Sunday, and I also showed you guys my bread drawer in this video, and also that we have a few other miscellaneous things for Levi's lunches. So stay tuned to see everything that we have for Sunday. For lunch, I'm having a piece of French bread with Swiss pepperoni, bologna, and cucumber slices. I forgot to show you guys my bread drawer, so I will show you that in a minute. But I used the last piece of bologna, so I'm gonna have to use part of that budget to get some deli meat because my son won't eat tuna or the canned chicken. I know it. He just wouldn't eat it in his lunch. And then there's that. I still have this much cucumber left. I do have bananas. This one's looking bad, but I think it'll be fine. 2 limes. Some apples. This one is actually bad, so that's gonna get tossed. 2 lemons, apples. We have another banana here that's going bad, but that'll be fine. Potatoes there. But yeah, here's my bread drawer. Looks like we have a hamburger bun left, some blueberry bagels. Here's that French loaf, half a loaf of white bread, sandwich bread, and then we do have like fajita style tortillas. So we have those, a few of these flour ones, and then more white corn tortillas. A couple end pieces here. I'll use that to make a sandwich. Ooh, some snickerdoodle pretzels, and these sour punch straws that are sweet, actually not sour. Oh yeah, this is a cookie from batches of cookies I made. Chocolate chip. They turned out really fluffy. And then we have these graham cracker crumbs when we put them in pudding and stuff, because if you look over here, messy bakery cabinet, but we usually have pudding. Yep, butterscotch pudding. So much bakery stuff. I don't want to go through it. Like I told you, look at this even mess. I'm going to try to organize everything, clean everything up, and then I'll have a better idea of what I actually have. So today's Sunday, January 5th, and for lunch, my son is having the rest of this box of mac and cheese. Is like half a box left. And hot dogs cut up into it, and carrot sticks. He also had Fruit Loops for breakfast. For Sunday, January 5th, we had venison fajitas. Some lettuce, tomato, avocado, which I'm pretty sure this one's ripe because I took out the stem and it looks like it's brown and it's kind of a little firm, but not really. So I'm gonna prep this, and then I also have in the fridge, I have prepped red onions and peppers that we're gonna cook up with it too. Here are all the seasonings that I used to make the fajita mix. It turned out super good, better than the store-bought stuff. I'll put all the amounts of each seasoning that I used in the description. I actually forgot to take a picture of the fajitas from Sunday, but that's everything we ate from the pantry. No need to go shopping yet. Stay tuned for Monday's meals, and I'll post that tomorrow.